Are there any conditions where TRT is not for life, like when TRT is prescribed as a short-term treatment to address temporary causes of low testosterone levels, such as a medication side effect or an acute illness?
So if you have low testosterone and you are deficient for reasons of testicular hypofunction, where you're no longer producing proper levels of testosterone to meet your daily demands or your optimal lifestyle, that is not going to come back on its own. That is something that will relegate you to a lifelong treatment, or at the very least it should. The cases where I've seen where guys would go on therapy and then potentially come off are more so guys that were placed on for the wrong reasons, whether it was curiosity, whether it was performance-based, whether they were younger and they were quote unquote suboptimal or symptomatic, but they weren't clinically suboptimal. And they got on and they said, you know what, it's not doing what I anticipated. All these guys think they're going to get on there and they're going to look like Arnold Schwarzenegger, 4 weeks out. I could show you thousands of men on testosterone that don't look like they ever spent a single day in the gym. It comes down to your habits. All it does is increase the rate of protein synthesis. It allows you to rebuild and recover quicker. But if you're not in there doing the work and you're not eating to support that, it really isn't going to do a damn thing for you. So if you get on for the wrong reasons, I've seen guys come off, after a year or 2 or 3. But if you've been on TRT because you were prescribed for the right reasons, which is you are hypogonadal, you are deficient of the hormone, that is only going to get worse with age. Presumably, it is not going to self-repair, and you should be on testosterone indefinitely.
Check out my TRT workout split or the ebook The Ultimate Guide to TRT Cream. Links to the merchandise shop in the description.